Hi everyone, I'm Katie Lanneman, an infant toddler Montessori teacher and registered early childhood educator. In today's video, I'm going to share some ideas for gardening activities with children between the ages of 2 and 3. Now, gardening activities are fantastic to do with young children because they engage all of the senses and they cover all developmental domains. So your child is learning so much simply by exploring in the garden. Your child might still want to explore the garden, and that's totally fine. What you need is just to give them a small area of the garden where they're going to be able to explore the soil with their hands and their feet. You just want to make sure it's an area where you're not using any fertilizer or anything like that, because they are sensorial explorers and they will be exploring the soil. There's a good chance it might end up in their mouth. So you want to make sure that the soil is fertilizer free. All right, now once they're sort of past that exploratory phase, there are some activities that you can do that are great for them physically. So things like raking and bagging leaves. That's a really great maximum effort activity that's going to engage their full body, their mind, and their body to rake the leaves and fill the paper bags. You could also plant a garden. Planting a garden is a really lovely activity. Go to a nursery. You do want to look for plants that are a little bit more robust, because if the child is given the responsibility of watering the garden, there's a very good chance that this plant, this area of the garden is going to receive quite a bit of water. So look for plants that will be okay being overly watered. I can tell you from experience in the classroom, our plants were never thirsty. So if you're looking for some ideas, we do have them in a blog post that I will link to in the description below. So yes, with things like watering the garden, you can give them access to the hose, or you can just have a little child-sized watering can and show them how to water the garden, test the soil to see if it's dry, and so on. A wheelbarrow is a wonderful gardening tool for children around the age of 2 and 3. It's another really great maximum effort activity. You just put some soil in there and they can move it around the garden, dump it in the garden, and so on. And then lastly, if you do have the space, it's really nice when planning out your garden if you could sort of create a path for your child to be able to walk through. That way they can really sort of immerse themselves in the garden. They can walk around, explore, see everything that the garden has to offer, and learn so much about nature while doing it. So if you're interested in learning some more about the developmental benefits of gardening, I mentioned a blog post earlier. I'll link to it in the description below, but it's called 6 Montessori Gardening Activities for Infants and Children, and you'll find some more information there. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, it really helps our channel if you like and subscribe. This helps other parents to find our channel. And if you have a question, feel free to comment your question below and we'll answer it in a future video. Take care. Bye.